Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth part of verbs and expression. Okay, let us begin. Today I have taken the verb come. So we shall see the various expressions of come. Okay, what is the meaning of come? Come means variga. Come, variga, and the past tense came. Came, automatically it will be vannu. Come, variga, came, vannu. Okay, now let us see the future tense. Will come. So will come in Malayalam, it is varum. Malayalam it is varum. Now let us see certain phrases and expressions. I am coming. Njan varunu. I am coming. Njan varunu. Next one, come in. Come in. In means agathek. So come in. Agathek varu. Agathek varu. Next one, don't come. Don't come. What it would be the meaning? Don't come. Vararudhu. Negative sentence. So don't come is a command. Vararudhu. Don't come. Vararudhu. Okay, look at the next one. Did he come? A question. Did he come? Avan vannu. Did he come? Avan vannu. It is a question. Next one. I will not come. I will not come. Njan varilla. Njan varilla. I will not come. Njan varilla. Next question. When will he come? Avan eppol varum. When will he come? Avan eppol varum. Question. And another question. When did you come? A question in past tense. When did you come? Nee eppol vannu. So when will you come? When will he come? Avan eppol varum. And when did you come means nee eppol vannu. So if you want to ask nee eppol varum, it will be when will you come. So when will you come? Nee eppol varum. Here, but I am given here when will he come. So that means avan eppol varum. So you know that he means avan. And when did you come? Asking so about the past. When did you come? Nee eppol vannu. Okay, look at here. Is he coming? Avan varunundo. Is he coming? Avan varunundo. Next one. Will he come? Avan varumo. Future tense. Will he come? Avan varumo. So if you join in my channel with 59 rupees per month, you will get all the PDF formats of my presentations. Okay, next one. Please come in. Dayavai agathek varu. Please come in. Dayavai agathek varu. Has he not come yet? Has he not come yet? Avan iduvare vannille. It's a question. Has he not come yet? Avan iduvare vannille. Next one. He hasn't come yet. He hasn't come yet. Avan iduvare vannilla. He hasn't come yet. Avan iduvare vannilla. Okay, next a usual question. Aren't you coming? Nee varunille. Aren't you coming? Nee varunille. Next one. Don't come late. Vaigi vararudhu. Don't come late. Vaigi vararudhu. Okay, now let us see another two phrases here. I will come tomorrow. Njan naale varum. I will come tomorrow. Njan naale varum. I can't come there. I can't come there. So there means angot or avide എന്നൊരു meaning. So I can't come there. എനിക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് വരാൻ പറ്റില്ല. I can't come there. എനിക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് വരാൻ പറ്റില്ല. So I will come tomorrow, which means ഞാൻ നാളെ വരും. Okay, look at the next one. He could come yesterday. He could come yesterday. അവന് ഇന്നലെ വരാമായിരുന്നു. He could come yesterday. അവന് ഇന്നലെ വരാമായിരുന്നു. Why didn't he come? അവൻ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് വന്നില്ല? Why didn't he come? അവൻ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് വന്നില്ല? So you can understand that it is a question. അവൻ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് വന്നില്ല? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? നീ നാളെ വരുമോ? Will you come tomorrow? നീ നാളെ വരുമോ? Next, another question. Why did they come? Why did they come? അവർ എന്തിനാണ് വന്നത്? Why did they come? അവർ എന്തിനാണ് വന്നത്? Next one. How did you come? How did you come? നീ എങ്ങനെയാണ് വന്നത്? How did you come? നീ എങ്ങനെയാണ് വന്നത്? Next question is that, did you come early? Did you come early? നീ നേരത്തെ വന്നോ? Did you come early? Next one, do you always come early? So asking about the regular habit. Do you always come early? നീ എപ്പോഴും നേരത്തെ വരാറുണ്ടോ? നീ എപ്പോഴും നേരത്തെ വരാറുണ്ടോ? That is, do you always come early? Okay, now let us see certain long questions here. Why didn't you come yesterday? Why didn't you come yesterday? Why didn't you come yesterday? നീ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇന്നലെ വരാതിരുന്നത്? നീ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇന്നലെ വരാതിരുന്നത്? Why didn't you come yesterday? Next one, can you just come here? Can you just come here? ഒന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുമോ? Can you just come here? ഒന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുമോ? So certain people in Kerala ask varamo. Both are correct only. Can you just come here? ഒന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുമോ? But if we translate exact translation, it will be ഒന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരാൻ കഴിയുമോ? But I think I have made all this video based on the spoken Malayalam and spoken English. So I haven't translated exactly from Malayalam to English and English to Malayalam because exact translation will not make sense. So I was observing how people talk, and based on that I have made this video. Okay, let's go to the next slide and look at the next one here. I will never come again. I will never come again. ഞാൻ ഇനി ഒരിക്കലും വരില്ല. I will never come again. ഞാൻ ഇനി ഒരിക്കലും വരില്ല. Next one, he might have arrived. He might have arrived. അവൻ എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അവൻ എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. So if you are a Malayali and if you like my classes, so please subscribe my new channel. So where I explain everything in Malayalam. So that you can check out, and there you can find out the classes in Malayalam. So this is my channel in English, and if you want channel with the Malayalam explanation, surely I recommend you to subscribe my new channel. The channel description, link will be in my description. Okay. Okay, look at the next one. He has come. അവൻ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. He has come. അവൻ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. So you know the tense, it is present perfect tense. He has come. അവൻ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay, look at the next one. He hasn't come. അവൻ വന്നിട്ടില്ല. He hasn't come. അവൻ വന്നിട്ടില്ല. So look at that, it is a negative one. He hasn't come. അവൻ വന്നിട്ടില്ല. Okay, the last one. She always comes late. She always comes late. What is the Malayalam word of always? So that is എപ്പോഴും. എപ്പോഴും. So here, she always comes late. അവൾ എപ്പോഴും താമസിച്ചാണ് വരുന്നത്. So it's a habitual action. She always comes late. അവൾ എപ്പോഴും താമസിച്ചാണ് വരുന്നത്. Okay dear friends, thanks for watching and please subscribe and support me.